why they have it parked here with the slides in, but I know you've been waiting on some answers. Let's see here. Tires are 21 week of 2016. So they don't show any weather checking or anything, but they are dated. Exterior's a little faded. Oh, these compartment doors back here, the clear coat's bad. I think these are, yeah, all these are gonna be originals. This one's actually starting to show a tiny bit. But regardless, they're dated. No cracks, but they're dated. These compartment doors, clear coat's bad. Let's see here. Yeah, a little bit back here too. There. No damage or anything, but just faded and some clear coat. Same thing on this compartment door. Let's see here. Batteries, if they're old, they'll load test them and replace them if necessary. Does have an outside TV, but no outside kitchen. TV's in this compartment here. RV runs out fine. I'd have to look exactly where it came from, but typically we drive them 300 to 500 miles. A little bit of corrosion on that right there too. Might be able to get a little bit of the inside with the slides in. Upholstery bad here. Here's starting to be the same. Here's the table. Overhead bunk. Does have the one control. This one's starting just a little bit. Oh, here too. Looks like they pulled some of the fake Corian off. Don't smell any mildew or musty. And I don't see in the notes any water damage. I don't see any, the little bit that I can look at. I can dig in a little bit deeper if you watch this video and decide you like what you see so far. Looks like that answers the bulk of your questions, and again, I'm happy to help with anything additional. I'm going to send you this and we'll go from there. Thank you.